Hello everyone, this is Professor Nilesh Anandwani again welcoming you from the NET set exam preparation channel. If you are new to my channel, before beginning, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. If you press the bell icon, then my new videos notification will come to you at the first event. Hello everyone, let's begin guys. Today I am going to tell you the answer key of a CSIR NET December 2019, 15th December 2019, that is the official answer key. तो CSIR NTA UGC ने नेट एग्ज़ाम की आंसर की अपलोड कर दी हुई है, लेकिन लोगों को काफ़ी दिक्कत आ रही है आंसर की समझने में. तो मेरे इस वीडियो में आपको 145 आंसर्स आपको क्लियर कट मिलेंगे. यस, 145 आउट ऑफ 145. ए सेक्शन में 20 क्वेश्चंस, बी सेक्शन में 50 क्वेश्चंस और सी सेक्शन में 75 क्वेश्चन. सो टाइम वेस्ट न करते हुए लेट्स बिगिन गाइस. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, what day of the week it will be 61th day from Friday. So इसका आंसर है 4th. You can say the answer will be Wednesday. Answer will be Wednesday. Second question, a multiple choice exam has a 4 question each with a 4 answer choice. Every question has only one correct answer. The probability of getting all the correct by the independent random guess of each one is, so answer is second, 1:4:4. Third question, how many non-square rectangles are there in the following figure consisting of 7 squares? So ये ऑप्शन है हमारे सामने. आंसर इज थर्ड, 10. Question number 4, a cyclist cover a certain distance at the constant speed. If a jogger covers half of the distance in double time as the cyclist, the ratio of speed of the jogger to that of the cyclist is. So let's see answer. Answer is 1:4. Fifth question, which is the curve in the figure whose point satisfy the equation y is equal to constant into e is equal to e square x. So answer is third, C figure indicates the correct answer. Question number 5, in race 5 drivers were in the following situation. M was following V, R was just ahead of T and K was only one between the T and V. Who was the second place at that instant? So answer is third, T. Friends, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. मैं काफ़ी दिन से मेहनत कर रहा हूँ इस चीज़ों के लिए. जैसे ही CSIR ने ऑफिशियल आंसर की अनाउंस की तो उससे रिलेटेड मैंने ये बना दिया हुआ है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, व्हाट इज द रेशियो ऑफ द सरफेस एरिया ऑफ अ क्यूब विथ अ साइड 1 सेंटीमीटर टू टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द क्यूब फॉर्म्ड बाय ब्रेकिंग एन ओरिजिनल क्यूब इनटू आइडेंटिकल क्यूब्स ऑफ अ साइड 1 mm. So answer is second, 1/10. Question number 8, given that k is equal to 1 into 2 into 3 into dash dash into k, which is the largest among the following number? So answer is D. Question number 9, in a very old stable forest, a particular species of plant grows to maximum height of a 3 meter. In a large survey, it is found that 30% of a plant have a height less than the 1 meter and 50% have height more than 2 meter. From this observation, we can say that the height of a plant increases. So C answer. Answer is second, at the fastest rate when they are between 1 meter to 2 meter tall. Question number 10. This was actually in Hindi. In answer key in question paper it was shown in Hindi, but in examination it was in Hindi and English both. करण का घर राहुल के घर से पूर्व में 20 मीटर की दूरी पर है. मेहुल का घर राहुल के घर से उत्तर पूर्व में 25 मीटर की दूरी पर है. मेहुल के घर से करण का घर किस दिशा में है? तो ऐसा क्वेश्चन था. तो आंसर है इसका सेकंड, दक्षिण. 11th number question, Of the three children, Uma plays all the three of cricket, football and hockey. Iqbal plays cricket but not football, and Tarun plays hockey but neither football nor cricket. The number of games played by at least two of the children is, answer is 2 games. Question number 12, in a college admission where applicants have to choose only one subject, 1/4 of the applicants opted for biology, 1/6 of for chemistry, 1/8 for physics and 1/12 for maths. 18 applicants did not obtain for any of above 4 subjects. How many applicants were there? So, answer is D, means 48 candidate. Question number 13, a 4-wheel cart is going around a circular track. Which of the following statement is correct? If a 4 wheels are free to rotate independent of each other and the cart negotiates the track stably. Answer is third, the wheels closer to the inside of track move slower than the outer side wheels. Question number 14, a bag contains 8 red balls, 10 blue balls, 17 green balls. What is the minimum number of balls that needs to be taken out from the bag to ensure getting at least one ball of each color? Let's begin see the answer. Answer is 3, probabilities of 28. Question number 15, a 2-digit number is such that if digit 4 is placed to its right, its value would be increased by 490. Find the original number. So, original number is second number, this 54. Which of the following 7 digit cannot be perfect square of this one? So, answer is D, all of this. Question number 17, the result of a survey to be found most preferred leader amongst A, B, C is shown in the table. So, these are votes, these are the name of leader and this was the question. So, answer is second, B is most preferred. Question number 18, based on the bar chart shown here, which of the following inference is correct? So, let us see. Answer is 3. Region D uses thrice amount of water used by region A per kg of rice. 19. An ice cube of a volume 10 centimeter square is floating over the glass of water. You can say, so this was a one big question. The level of water is exactly the brim to be glass. Given that the density of ice is 10% less than the water, that what will be the situation when the ice melt completely? So, answer was D, there is no change in the level of water. Question number 20, the mean of a set of a 10 number is m. By combining with second set of m number, the mean of combined set becomes 10. What is the sum of total sum of second set of number? So, answer is 400. So, guys, this was a answer key of a UGC CSIR NET, actually NTA, National Testing Agency, for part A, question number 1 to 20. And I would like to tell you guys, answer key is even uploaded on the, you can say, website, but it is very difficult to understand, because student used to compare the number of questions, but we don't have to compare number of questions. We have to see the question number as well as their code number to identify the answer, and it is very difficult technique to get the answer. So, might be your question and this video's question might be, you can say, in somewhere different places, but damn sure the questions are same. So, whatever question you have attempted, you can check this. This is the official answer key of CSIR, not mine. So, thank you so much, guys. You have watched this video till the end. If you wanted to see the next question for the part B and part C, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Our next video is related to that. Thank you so much.